right, tonight I'm gonna pull some serious moves in this kitchen. So here to test my skills and my patience tonight, fellow restaurateur Geoffrey Zakarian and author and TV host Kristin Cavallari.
Going down.
So you're like all into lifestyle and you're writing a cookbook and
Yeah,
all
I'm
kinds
working
of
on a
stuff?
cookbook right now. I kind of take classic dishes and I put my own health spin on it.
That's great.
So I am ready for this. Excited to take you down.
Have you guys strategized at all?
Everybody comes on and they want to get fancy. We got to find the horse that just wants to go run the race.
Yep.
Bring it on.
Bobby, our first contender, has already beaten you on Iron Chef, and he is here to do it again tonight. From New York City, Danielle Ungerer. There he is. Oh, my God. You're in trouble.
All right, our next contender is expanding his New Jersey culinary empire, but tonight he's here to take down NYC's golden boy. Let's hear it for executive chef Jamie Knott.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Daniel, Jamie, even though you want to take me down, you first must go through each other. I'm gonna give you guys 20 minutes to make an ingredient of my choice, the star of your dish. And that ingredient is veal tenderloin.
Veal tenderloin was a staple in my house, so I feel very confident about it.
Oh, boy. I probably have worked with veal tenderloin once.
Kristin and Geoffrey behind me will taste and decide which one of you goes up against me in round 2. 20 minutes on the clock. Ready? Go. Veal tenderloin doesn't actually have a lot of flavor. There's almost no fat in this, and so it's a canvas.
I'm making a schnitzel with some fingerling potato salad.
I'm making veal Milanese with baby tomato, fresh mozzarella, and avocado salad.
Daniel, what are you doing with these lemons?
It's gonna be as a garnish on that.
Okay, so the veal really is the star here, right?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Nervous?
Yeah, of course. If I wouldn't be nervous, I wouldn't be here, you know?
All right.
5 minutes to go, you guys.
The next thing will be the dressing for my potato salad. So there was rice vinegar, my capers, my mustard, my onions, touch of maple syrup.
What'd you learn?
Daniel's doing that warm potato salad, which I actually like. I think it makes it a nice hearty meal.
But it's about the veal being the star.
Right.
Daniel's is crispy with some dark edges. I think his is gonna be overcooked.
So in the salad now I have tomatoes, diced mozzarella, avocado, a little bit of olive oil, and balsamic.
Veal is a very lean cut of meat, so I actually like that both of the guys are adding a little bit of fat to their dish.
2 minutes. You're going to need it to plate.
On my dish, I have a little cup of lettuce. I'm putting my fingerling potatoes, my little schnitzel, and then I have my caramelized lemon and some cherry tomatoes for a splash of color.
50 seconds.
I grab the veal, I cut it, and then I just use my hands kind of and scoop the avocado and stuff, knock it out onto the plates really quick.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, chefs, Geoffrey and I have one goal tonight, and that is to take down Bobby Flay.
What it comes down to is the veal, what you did to it to make it the actual star of the plate. Dan, let's start with you. What did you make for us?
I made a schnitzel with fingerling potato salad and arugula.
The veal and the salad really work well together. I think there's a ton of flavor, but there's a lot of vinegar on the salad. It's a little overpowering.
The veal is very tender and really well seasoned, but you can see it's a little bit dark here.
All right, Jamie, what did you make?
Veal Milanese with baby tomato, fresh mozzarella, a little bit of avocado.
The veal has really good fry. Everything's crisp, but it needs a little bit of an acid. I think it's a little fatty and greasy.
I do love the avocado, the tomatoes, the mozzarella, it's all great. I just wish there was something to balance out the grease.
So we got to pick someone that's going to really go up against Golden Boy.
Jamie kept it simple while Daniel put like a 3-course meal on one plate. Both were delicious, so I see a little bit of a threat here, no matter which way it goes.
The chef that will be moving forward is...
Chef Daniel.
I learned a lot from this experience. I'm meant to do great things, so win or lose, you pick yourself up and you move on.
Bobby, how are you feeling? You look a little nervous over there.
Well, I know Daniel's such a great chef. All I'm doing is starting to think about what the signature dish might be tonight.
We're gonna take the golden boy down.
Daniel, we meet again.
Yeah.
I have fond memories of losing to you in Iron Chef. I'm looking for a little redemption tonight. So what are we cooking?
Bobby, my signature dish is veggie burger.
Oh, he's sunk. He's sunk.
I know you know your burgers.
Yeah, but that's not a burger. Can't we do some beef burgers?
For fairness, we will not be judging.
Instead, we have 3 industry professionals standing by to do a blind taste test.
You each will have 45 minutes to pull off the best veggie burger you have ever made, or your first time making one. And your time starts now. So you can use pretty much anything. I've had a black bean burger that's been really good, a quinoa burger. I don't think it's necessarily about what's in it, as long as it tastes great.
What is that?
Flavor.
Now it's time to make the burgers. I combine the barbecue mushrooms with the cooked quinoa and then the chickpeas to form the patties.
You're gonna fry these, or you're gonna bake them?
I'm gonna fry them.
So it's like a falafel?
Kind of.
I love falafel. May I taste this?
Yeah.
I hate to say this, but that is above average.
Thanks, Geoffrey. I dredge them in the quinoa flour, some eggs, and then drop them in the fryer.
5 minutes left.
I'm ready to toast some buns here.
Oh,
Oh, forgot about the buns. This is what I like to see.
it's all good. I got this under control. Time-tested technique, scrape off the burnt edges, and then cover it with lots of cheese. This is the way my mother taught me how to do it, baby. Add some smoked Gouda, put it on top of the burger, and then put it under the salamander to melt. All right, don't let me forget this, all right?
2 minutes, you guys.
It's gonna be close because they're both so different, and they're both so out of the box. Let's pray that this is better.
I'm spooning a little bit of the carrot ketchup on the bottom of the bun, my slice of tomato, and then the veggie burger, a little bit of smashed avocado, and then I have my crispy strips, my kale chips, and voila.
40 seconds.
I put some of the mustard sauce on the bottom, then the patty with melted cheese, a little more sauce, slaw, some more sauce, and then top it off with a skewer.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Bobby, Daniel, 2 really beautiful looking plates. So now it's time to meet your judges.
First up, cookbook author and model, Robyn Lawley. Comedian and snack critic, Chris C. Snacks Clarke. And chef and founder of Food Matters NYC, Tricia Williams.
Judges, as you know, this is a completely blind taste test. Please begin with the burger in front of you.
There was a nice crust to the burger, and I really liked the beets in it, but it was a little mushy. Veggie burgers, notorious for being really hard to get the texture right.
It brings back the old school burger in a basket, and someone bringing it over to you with some roller skates. You could use like some fries or some onion rings, but I think it's pretty dope that the chef made his own ketchup.
I love when I bit into the burger that I got like the feeling that it looked like red meat because of the beets inside. But the taste of the burger I felt like lacked the mouthfeel of a real burger. I felt like it kind of fell apart.
It's a different concept. Don't look for the meat sensation. Appreciate vegetables.
All right, guys, go ahead and try the second veggie burger.
I love the mouthfeel of this burger. The chickpeas, the mushrooms really made me feel like I was eating a piece of meat. And I think what really tied it together for me was that tang of the Carolina barbecue sauce. I feel like the only thing I'm really missing on this plate are my fries and ketchup.
What I liked about the patty was the mushrooms inside, because that adds that chew that you don't get with a lot of veggie burgers. And the smoked Gouda was amazing because you want like that meaty taste.
Normally, I'm used to having coleslaw on the side, not in my burger. If I wanted to put it in, I'll put it in. But the veggie patty itself with the mushrooms and the chickpeas is banging. Yeah.
Listen, I'm proud that I got it done. To me, that's an accomplishment. Do I think it tastes pretty good? We'll see.
Bobby, Daniel, the judges have voted.
And the winner is Bobby Flay.
I might not have won, but working under stress like this, it keeps me going. It's like making art in a way. It was so much fun.